Alright, so we have our sample problem for taxation on partnership. Okay, we have a sample problem here. We have 4 partners with their respective contributions or capital, and for the year they have withdrawals that they have made. So we have JJ, Cody, Nina, and Bella. Okay, so the total capital is 700,000. JJ and Nina both have withdrawals. JJ have 15,000 and then Nina have 30,000. Okay, so the revenue during the year was 2 million kina, and that will include interest on withdrawals. While for expenses, that will be 1.5 million kina, inclusive of salaries and interest on capital. So other relevant information for the partnership: JJ and Cody manage the business, and they receive 40,000 kina and 25,000 kina respectively. All partners receive 5% interest per annum on their opening capital balance, and then they will be charged for 5% interest on withdrawals. Profit distribution is 1:2.5:4:2.5. Okay, so 1 over 10 for JJ, Cody 2.5 over 10, Nina 4 over 10, and then Bella 2.5. So we were asked to determine the partner's income at year end. Okay, so to calculate, we have share in profits of 500,000. So that will be coming from 2 million kina revenue less 1.5 million expenses. Now interest on capital, that will be 5% of the original contribution of the partners. So we have for JJ 5% of his contribution 6,000, and Cody 5% of its contribution 9,000. Nina, we have 12,500, 5% of her contribution, and then Bella 7,500, 5% of her contribution. Now interest on withdrawal, we have 750 kina for JJ out of that 15,000 kina withdrawal, and then for Nina, she got 5% interest or charged interest on her withdrawal. Withdrawal was 30,000, so 5% of that, that's 1,500. Now for salaries, JJ receives 40,000 and Cody receives 25,000. So for JJ, the total income or profit will be 95,250. Cody is 159,000. Nina will be 211,000. Bella will be 132,500. So the total income is 597,750. To check, this will be how to check if we have done the right thing. For revenue, we have 2 million, so we have to remove that portion of interest, which is 2,250 interest on withdrawal. For expenses, we have to remove 65,000 for salaries and 35,000 for interest on capital, because those were included or considered in calculating revenue and expenses, so we have to remove. And that's it. Thank you for listening and watching the recorded lecture. Hope you learned something.